Hi everybody, today we will see multiple call forwarding with Insighto.ai. So starting with, we will go to our tools and we will set up call tool. So here let me add a new number of my friend Suhas, and what I want to do is just forward the call. So to forward or talk with Suhas, because when I would want to talk with Suhas, that time it will forward the call there. Now I'll have to write his number, so just a minute. Okay, yep, and I will add my another friend number Akshaya. So again, to when someone want to talk with Akshaya. So once that is done, what I will do is I'll write a number. Okay, 9. Yes, so I have created my tool. Now I'll create my assistant. So coming to my assistant, I will add one assistant. So call, let's name it as call forwarding. Okay, demo and tutorial. Cool. I will be using GPT-4o. This voice is fine. So let's give it a name Jenna. 2. And ask who would they like to talk to. Based on their response, connect to the available tool. Okay, so this is done. I will save and exit. Now over here, call forwarding, what I will do is now I'll connect the tool. Akshaya, Suhas. So okay, these two call tools are connected, and the command over here, so based on their response, so if I will say here Suhas, it will connect to Suhas. If I will say here Akshaya. Hi everybody, today we will see multiple call forwarding with Insighto.ai. So starting with, so let's create our let's create our widget now. I'll go to my widget, I'll be like call forwarding, and I will choose a call forwarding widget over here. Call forwarding, this account, let's choose this one. Okay, done. So I have created my widget, and now let's test it out.
Hello. Who would you like to talk to?
I would like to talk to Suhas.
Please hold while I connect you to Suhas.
Hello?
Yeah, hi Suhas. I was just, I created it. I was just checking the call tool.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, okay. Okay then. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hello. Who would you like to talk to today?
I would like to talk to Akshaya.
Please hold while I connect you to Akshaya.
Hello.
Hi Akshaya, I was just checking out the call forwarding tool.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.